Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the market wrap-up for Tuesday, April 22nd, 2008. I'm Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Well, today was not a good Tuesday, and today's theme song, why not a little Rolling Stones, a little Ruby Tuesday. And the market said a little goodbye today for a while. As you saw, the Dow Jones Industrial Average sell off quite heavily. In the end, it only closed down about $105. We only had 7 advancers, 23 decliners. DuPont, one of the big decliners on the day, down 4%, pretty much exactly down 4% today for DuPont. We also saw American Express get beat up a little bit on the day, and we saw GM get beat up a little bit on the day. Overall, not a banner day, but if you think about last night's video, we talked about the VIX, and we said that with a nothing day, the VIX closed a bit higher, didn't really make a lot of sense unless we sold off today. We did have a significant sell-off today. In fact, at one point, the VIX was up over $1. VIX only closes up 37 cents, still under that 21 level. We're bouncing between this 20 and 21 level, and conversely, we see the S&P 500 future right around 1380. We've talked about these levels so many times, you should know them by heart. 1394 even. We all know that's going to be the big level on the S&P future, again combined with going under 20 on the VIX. So we've talked about it time and time again. We need to see that in order to break out of this level. All right, let's talk about some of the other things happening in the market. First of all, we got to look to our friends over at Apple. Apple comes out with earnings tomorrow. Lots and lots of activity in there today. What we're seeing primarily in there is people selling out of the money calls against stock they currently own. On the speculative side, people buying the straddle, so buying simultaneous purchase of the call and the put month in May. It's right at 160 because that's where the stock's at. To do that trade right now, a bit pricey, I would say. You pay about $21.20 currently. So that's kind of the movement they're looking for tomorrow in Apple. Again, the straddle price is what we think we're going to have. So we're seeing some people expecting a good move in Apple after the earnings. Front month volatility just about 65%. That's at the higher end of Apple's range. So we have to keep our eyes on that for Wednesday. That will be something that really causes a lot of trade throughout the day, things to keep our eyes on as we go through the day Wednesday. All right, the NASDAQ down today also 31, which is a pretty significant move for the NASDAQ. So there was a lot of negatives in the market today. Volume, though, not real heavy, so that's something to keep in mind. It was almost like a path of least resistance. Going into tomorrow, again, we're keeping our eyes on these same numbers time and time again. We keep coming up against them, so we have to watch them. All right, as always, good health, good trading. Hope you had a great day today. If not, we'll make tomorrow a better one. Joe Kinahan, Chief Derivative Strategist with Thinkorswim. Have a great night, everybody. Thank you.